Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars, and today, road test, 1966 Mustang Convertible. And I just want to say, I think, I told Mark when I got done with this car in service, it's probably one of, if not the nicest. We've had another one that was really nice, but look at the pictures. Whoever restored this car, and I mean spot welds, pinch welds, attention to detail underneath. I've never seen one like it. Look in the door jamb. There's usually sealer and welds. This car is unbelievable. I just wanted to say that. It impressed me, which, you know, if anybody knows me, that it takes a lot, right, Corey?
Yeah, it does take a lot.
Yes, it really did. And it runs unbelievable. It's ice cold. We just pushed out of showroom. And I feel pretty good about it, Corey. What do you think?
Yeah, let's hit it.
Oh, I told you. It's just unbelievable. Everything about it. Seatbelt light even. That comes on, it times out. Everything works. Yeah, ice cold. Yeah, I just never seen one like it. I had to say it, like that upper cowl area, they're all, you know, they're boogery. They're not pretty. This car's unbelievable. It's just nice. AC that we serviced. R134 now works. Ice cold. Fire it up. Wait for it. Yep, brand new. Just put a brand new compressor. Charge it all up. Check it for leaks. I've never seen one like it. Purrs. Look at that. Power steering. Everything. Tack, clock, radio works. All the cute, cool little options. Even that glove box. You see that mirror in there, Corey? It's like a mirror, like right here. I've never even seen it before.
Yep.
I've never even seen one.
Nice. That's cool.
Oh, it's an unbelievable car. The attention to detail is the big deal.
Compass. A lot of people said the compass was cool.
Cool. Navigation.
Or navigation. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm impressed. And it's the right combination. 289 2-barrel, more than enough power, and they're really snappy. So with the AC on and stuff, you don't even notice. This was the right. Whoever ordered it, they knew what to order. Super nice cruiser.
Ride's pretty smooth too.
Oh, it's nice. Just nice.
Nice to get out and drive. Local car show cruise night.
Oh yeah. I'll go down around. Oh,
Brakes felt pretty good too.
Oh, brakes, everything. There's nothing. The big bumps.
Even the big bumps aren't bad. Yep.
Some cars we hit our heads over there. Do a little scenic cruise. We'll head back
to the neighborhood.
Yep. Yeah, we don't have to go too far. No burnouts in this one.
No.
It's nice over here. Beautiful day. Last 2 weeks. One day of rain.
Yeah, mid-70s. Can't complain about that.
No. Mike's birthday today.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Mike. You getting up there?
Yeah. 56.
GT too, Mustang.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Don't look at this one, everyone. Keep it clean, keep it nice, but drive it. Put the top down.
Power top works really nice too.
We'll get you on. Purring like a kid. Handles pretty good.
Yeah.
I know somebody had mentioned I'd bring a trailer about the exhaust system in it. Whoever restored this car is right. It's all correct. Brackets, hangers, resonators. Study the pictures underneath this car. '65 and '66 Mustangs don't get restored like this.
No.
No. The 64 and a half that we just sold was the same thing. But there's a car you can't drive.
Yeah.
But this one you can.
That one I don't think was even started.
No.
I don't think fluids were put in that car.
Plenty of power. You don't need a race car.
No.
I'm half pedal, quarter pedal. Big hump.
Barely felt it.
And it's a convertible. Shake all around. It's nice. This car has a 280 gear, so you can get on the highway 65, 70, not tacking up to the moon. Use it. It's got the old school C4 too, where it's got the green dot. People get confused. You actually drive it in the green dot, not the first dot. First one's second. This is actually first gear takeoff. It's kind of cool. I think Ford was trying to do something for like snow, that one you can take off easy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
Tough time to get out of here.
Yeah.
Almost lunchtime.
Okay. I'll wait for the Tesla Cybertruck.
Yeah.
Oh, he's in the inside lane.
He's in the other lane. Yep, you're good.
Does it get hot at all, or oil pressure's way up? Tack works, clock works.
Brakes work nice.
Trust me. It's just enough exhaust. It's not loud. You know it's a V8.
We can,
I'll show them the top.
yeah, we can park by the garage, show the top. Perfect. Goes up nice too.
Little creak in it.
Sweet.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.